In this video, we're going to show you how to perform an oil change on your Ford Expedition. Let's get started. Remove the oil cap. We're going to pull the dipstick out part way and then just leave it hanging there. Using a 16mm wrench, we're going to remove the drain plug for the oil. Once your oil is done draining, install the drain plug into the pan, snug it down. I'm going to wipe away any oil. Torque the drain plug to 17 foot-pounds. Using a pair of oil filter pliers, I'm going to remove the oil filter. I have a bucket below this to catch all the oil. We're going to spin it off and let it drain. Remove the oil filter. Install the oil filter. Snug it down and make it tight. Using a rag, I'm going to clean up anywhere that the oil got. There's some on the back of the rack and on the bottom of the oil filter housing. You can use a bit of brake parts cleaner to help you. We're going to pour the oil in. We're going to add oil. We're going to fill this to the manufacturer's recommended capacity. Install the oil cap. If you spilled any oil, wipe it away. We're going to push the dipstick down, pull it out. We're going to check that the oil is on the dipstick. There's going to be two dots on your dipstick. There's going to be this higher one. There's going to be this low one. This is the low mark. This is the high. And there's hash marks in between. The distance between these two represents a quart of oil in the motor. We're going to wipe our dipstick. We're going to put it back in. Then we're going to start the car and let it run for about 5 minutes. Once you've turned the car off, allow the oil to drain back for about 5 minutes. Then go ahead and pull out your dipstick. Give it a wipe, put it back in, and then we're going to check the oil. If your oil is sitting at this top line, then you're good to go. If it's a little below it, keep adding oil in little amounts until you get to this high mark. Once you're at the high mark, wipe the dipstick, reinstall it, and then you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.